Hello, welcome to WAEC Academy. Today we are going to be looking at how to construct tangent and normal to all the type of ellipse. This is an ellipse this way. We use what we call the focal point method for this ellipse. So how can I draw my tangent and normal? If I'm told to draw tangent and normal to this focal point ellipse, focal point. Here's the idea. This is my F1 and F2. I will connect it to any point I want my ellipse, my tangent and normal to be. Let's just choose this point. Let's say this point here, this point Abby. Let's choose this point. So from this point here, I'll take my meter rule, this point, take it to F1 with a faint line, right? F1 with a faint line. Take it to F2 with another faint line this way, right? So then I will draw an arc from this point here. Just draw an arc this way. Just draw an arc this way. Can you see that? So come to this point here, strike an arc. Similarly, come to this point here, then cut the arc. The arc is cutting at this point. So this point and this point here, I will take in this part here. This is my my tangent. Sorry, my normal. Yes, this is my normal. Take this one down this way, faint one. This is my normal here. So how do I draw my tangent? How do I draw my tangent? I will take this set square this way. You can just place this way. Make sure it's touching, or just come to this point. This is point 2, right? Just take it to point 2, where that line touches that line of 2 this way, downward, right? Then, or you just take it to point. Let's take it to point 3. This 3 this way. So just draw a straight line down this way. So automatically, this is my my target, my normal. My tangent. So let's consider another ellipse. Alright, this is another ellipse which we use what we call the auxiliary method, also called concentric method, to draw. What if we have drawn this? Our lecturer told us that we should draw a tangent and normal to this auxiliary ellipse, right? Similarly, I will take my pin of compass to point B, to center point here, right? I will take it to C, strike an arc, and strike an arc this way. Then come to D, cut the arc. Then cut the arc. So where the arc cut is at this point, call it F1, and call it F2. From my F1, now you now choose a side. Either you want to use this point here, or you want to use this point to draw an ellipse. So let's just use this point here. So connect this point here to F1 this way. Then connect this point here to F2 down this way, right? So I will draw an arc from this point here. I will draw an arc this way, right? So at this point here, strike an arc. At this point here, cut the arc. So where the arc meets at this point, right, to the center point here, draw a thick line this way, right? So that thick line is our normal, right? So how do I draw my tangent? You can just take it this way and draw a faint line down this way, right? So my next task is that I need to draw a tangent, right? How do I do that? Take my T-square this way to 2 or 3 this way, then draw it this way. Make sure the line of 3 is touching that line this way. So you have this, right? You have this. This is how to draw tangent and normal to an auxiliary method ellipse. Thanks for watching. Welcome to WAEC Academy.